You're spending somewhere between $180 and $240 a year on oil changes, when you could be spending $60 to $90 and getting identical protection for your engine in the process. That gap isn't because you're using the wrong oil brand. It's because you're paying for labor and markup at a shop for a job that takes 20 minutes at home and costs about a quarter of what the shop charges. I'm going to show you exactly how to cut your annual oil change cost by at least $150, tell you what to buy and where, and make sure you're not sacrificing a single thing in terms of engine protection to get there. Let me start with the expensive trap and why so many guys fall into it. The quick lube industry is built around convenience. It's built around the idea that you'll pay $60 to $85 for a service that requires no appointment and takes 15 minutes in the parking lot. And honestly, if your time is genuinely worth more than that, the math might work out in your favor. But for most guys watching this channel, guys who spend their weekends working on their own trucks or their kids' cars, guys who know which end of a wrench to hold, paying a shop $65 to do a 20-minute job is just not a sensible use of money. The labor charge for an oil change at a quick lube shop is one of the highest margins in the automotive service industry. They make it easy, and you pay for that ease. Here's what the cost breakdown looks like when you do it yourself with quality oil. A 5-quart jug of Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30 at Walmart runs about $22 to $24. A quality Wix oil filter for a Ram 1500 or Silverado runs about $9 to $11. An oil drain pan that you use for years costs about $8 once. Total investment for the first at-home oil change, about $35 in oil and filter, $8 for the drain pan, one time, plus a wrench you probably already own. Every subsequent change after that, $33 to $35 in oil and filter. Compare that to $65 to $85 at the shop 3 times a year. That's between $195 and $255 annually. At-home oil changes 3 times a year, about $100 to $105 annually. You're saving roughly $150 a year, minimum. Over 10 years, that's $1,500. Now here's where it gets even better. If you upgrade to a quality API SP synthetic that allows a longer change interval, Mobil 1 Full Synthetic rated at 10,000 miles, or Pennzoil Platinum rated at 10,000 miles, you can drop from 3 changes a year to 2. For most guys, putting 12 to 15,000 miles annually on a daily driver with an oil life monitoring system, 2 changes per year at 10,000-mile intervals is perfectly appropriate for normal service. At $30 for Mobil 1, plus $11 for a quality filter, 2 changes per year costs you $82 annually versus the $195 to $255 you'd pay for 3 shop changes. That's saving $115 to $175 per year. The math I want you to do is this. 3 shop changes a year at $75 each equals $225. 2 at-home changes a year with Mobil 1 Full Synthetic and a quality Wix filter equals about $82. Annual savings, $143. Over 5 years, $715. Over 10 years of owning the same truck, $1,430. That is money you can put toward a set of tires, a brake job, or just keep in your pocket. There is one objection I hear from guys who haven't done their own oil changes in a while. They think it's messy or complicated. Let me save you the headache. You need 4 things: a drain pan that runs $8 at Walmart, a wrench set you probably already have, your owner's manual open to the correct oil and filter specifications, and about 20 minutes. The oil drain plug is always at the bottom of the engine oil pan. Your owner's manual has the location and the torque spec. The filter is always reachable from the top or side of the engine. Warm the engine for 2 minutes before draining so the oil flows out easily. Drain, swap the filter, refill to the correct level, check for drips, done. There is no complexity here. One more savings angle worth mentioning: buying in bulk at Costco. Kirkland Full Synthetic in a 12-quart bottle runs about $40, which is $3.30 per quart. Compared to $6.50 per quart for Mobil 1 at Walmart, you're saving about $16 per 5-quart change. The Kirkland product is API SP certified, and it does the job for normal service driving. The 12-quart bottle handles 2 full oil changes and has a shelf life of years as long as it's stored indoors. I've dropped links to everything I mentioned in the description below: the Valvoline, the Mobil 1, the Wix filters in the right specifications for common truck engines, and the Kirkland Costco option. Everything you need is right there. Next time I'm putting Liqui Moly against Mobil 1 for the guys with European cars in the driveway, because the oil recommendation changes significantly when you're talking about a BMW or a Mercedes. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.